Berthold Academy for the Gifted and Talented deeply personalizes education.
I have always been around birds because I live in the woods, and birds have always interested me, so that's why I decided to research bird courtship.
We believe everyone is gifted, and it is the job of the teacher to nurture their talents. Our educational approach provides a hands-on experience in the Montessori tradition. We prefer to work in small groups in order to tailor our lessons to our students. At Berthold Academy for the Gifted and Talented, students advocate for themselves and each other. They support one another.
There is no sense of competition. There is no sense of finite in that classroom. Everybody wants everyone else to do well too.
Throughout the day, we encourage students to make thoughtful and independent choices. As Montessori students, children develop the capacity to work independently in a supportive environment from an early age. In our culinary program, students also practice making thoughtful and independent choices. They explore all aspects of food, understanding the benefits of choosing whole, organic, locally grown foods, determining the nutritional value of foods, learning how to grow your own herbs, fruits, and vegetables, and how to cook healthy meals. The everyday practice of mindfulness and weekly yoga classes ground students, giving them a space to connect with themselves and reflect on their wants, needs, and choices. In tech discovery, students harness the power of technology to solve problems big and small, and use technology as a learning tool to expand their capability to attain knowledge.
In our first trimester, we didn't actually dwell into tech. Instead, we did research as a means to define the problems that we're trying to solve. In our second trimester, we're going to start evaluating how we can start solving those problems, how we can create something that can affect 1 million lives.
Students explore their personal interests through electives.
Courtesy, integrity, perseverance, self-control, indomitable spirit.
I did a fitness center for trainers, so like a place for trainers to go and get trained.
When a student wants to do or learn something new, we provide them with the necessary resources. Contact Berthold Academy today to discuss your child's education.